Are you looking for the best vitamin C powder in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best vitamin C powder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Alfa Vitamins Super Multivitamin C Powder. The Alfa Vitamin C Powder offers an easy, effective, and safe way of preventing fatigue and boosting your energy. With this vitamin C powder, you will remain energized and strong the entire day. Furthermore, it can obtain an orange-flavored drink quickly when you dilute it with cold water. It is blended from 24 nutrients, and it is free of preservatives, flavors, and artificial colors. This makes it a top-quality vitamin C powder. Apart from boosting your energy, it also ensures a better health condition. The minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins blend help one to remain focused. This means that it promotes the functioning of the brain, supports the digestive and immune health. Moreover, it is easy to prepare. It takes very few minutes to prepare richly flavored, energy-boosting, and delicious drinks. You only need to rip open the powder packet and empty it in a glass. Next, fill it with 6-8 ounces or 6 ounces of juice or water, then dilute and enjoy. At number 4, Doctor's Best Quali-C Vitamin C Powder. When you take vitamin C daily for 2 weeks, it raises erythrocyte glutathione levels. This vitamin C powder benefits the blood's antioxidant capacity. This vitamin C powder by Doctor's Best is known for its reliability and quality. It plays a major role during the synthesis of carnitine, collagen, and brain chemical transmitters. Also, it is confirmed to support the brain, eyes, immune system, heart, and circulation. Apart from enhancing the antioxidant potential of the body, it supports numerous enzymes. When consuming it, you need to take 500 milligrams only in one day. To conclude, it weighs 10.4 ounces only. At number 3, Source Naturals Sodium Ascorbate Vitamin C Powder. This vitamin C powder by Source Naturals is non-acidic. As a result, it is gentle on your digestive system. Most importantly, it has sodium that is useful in the active absorption of ascorbic acid. It also helps in collagen formation, hormone synthesis, and amino acid metabolism. Similarly, it facilitates the utilization of nutrients like iron and folic acid. Additionally, it is ideal for vegetarians. This is because it has no egg, yeast, dairy, corn, gluten, wheat, or soy. In like manner, it has no preservatives, starch, sugar, fragrance, flavor, or artificial color. One package has dimensions measuring 1.3 by 1.3 by 1.6 inches. Finally, it weighs 1.6 ounces. At number 2, Best Naturals 100% Vitamin C Powder. Next on this list is the Best Naturals Vitamin C Powder. To begin with, it supports your immunity, heart, and circulatory health. In the same way, it supports eye health. Another important feature of this powder is that it offers antioxidant protection. This is because it is synergistically formulated using a full-spectrum berry blend. Most importantly, it is free of herbicides, solvents, and pesticides. The independent third-party lab also has verified that it is free of allergens. This product is made in accordance with GMP. Good manufacturing practices are among the world's highest standards. To conclude, it weighs 1 lb, or 454 grams. At number 1, Micro-Ingredients Pure Vitamin C Powder. This vitamin C powder is soluble in water. Being rich in antioxidants improves the immunity and energy of an individual. This is because it synthesizes collagen. Also, it is useful in the treatment of scurvy and the common cold. Further, it features no additives, preservatives, irradiation, gluten, and artificial colors. For proper measurement, a scoop is included. You can take it every day between or with meals. Simply add it to a smoothie or shake and have nutritious and dense food. On the other hand, if you love powder, you can take it naturally while in powder form. This means that it will have quick absorption, higher concentration, and it will be easier on your stomach. On top of that, it weighs 1 kilogram or 35 ounces. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.